Today I'll be showing you how to do binding. First we're going to start with attaching our armband onto the inside with the right sides touching. We're going to go ahead and clip. Now I'm repeating the same step for the other side, just attaching with the right sides together. And you can see I'm lining up the seams. That way the seam is in the armpit. Now I'm going to use my serger to go all the way around. Now I'm turning the shirt right sides out, and we're going to go ahead and fold the armband into thirds. So I am folding the unserged side over onto itself, and then folding the serged side over into the center, and then I'm folding that in half. So at this point, you can see that where I have folded, you don't see any of the serger threads. Now I'm repeating the same steps for the other side. Now that I have both of the armbands folded and clipped, we're going to go ahead and cover stitch, or you can use a sewing machine and do a regular top stitch. Now that you've done your preferred method of top stitching, your binding is done. Thank you for watching this video, and we would love to see your creations on the Retro Sparkle Designs Facebook page.